Hey there! Ever wished you could make money while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you it's totally possible thanks to crypto trading bots? Yep, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into the world of automated crypto trading, where you can literally earn money while catching those Z's. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your own crypto trading bot and start making passive income. Let's get started. First things first, what even is a crypto trading bot? Think of it as your personal assistant, but for trading cryptocurrencies. It's a software program that automatically buys and sells crypto for you based on preset rules. No emotions, no second guessing, just cold, hard logic. These bots can analyze market data, spot trends, and execute trades faster than any human ever could. And the best part? They work 24/7. So, while you're sleeping, eating, or binge-watching your favorite show, your bot is out there making you money. Sounds pretty sweet, huh? Okay, so how do these bots actually work? Let me break it down for you. Market analysis: the bot constantly monitors the crypto market, looking at things like price movements, trading volume, and historical data. Strategy execution: based on the rules you set, we'll get to that in a bit, the bot decides when to buy or sell. Trade execution: once the conditions are met, the bot automatically places the trade on your behalf. For example, you could tell your bot to buy Bitcoin whenever its price drops by 5% and sell when it goes up by 10%. The bot will do all the heavy lifting for you. No stress, no hassle. Now, not all bots are created equal. There are different types of trading bots, each designed for specific strategies. Let's go over a few. Arbitrage bots: these bots take advantage of price differences between exchanges. For example, if Bitcoin is cheaper on exchange A than on exchange B, the bot buys low on A and sells high on B. Market making bots: these bots place buy and sell orders to profit from the spread, the difference between the buying and selling price. Trend following bots: these bots ride the wave of market trends, buying when prices are rising and selling when they start to fall. Mean reversion bots: these bots assume that prices will eventually return to their average, so they buy when prices are low and sell when they're high. Each bot has its own strengths, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your trading goals. Alright, let's get into the fun part: setting up your first crypto trading bot. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Here's how to do it. Choose a platform. There are tons of platforms out there, like 3, Pionex, or CryptoHopper. Do your research and pick one that suits your needs. Connect your exchange. Most bots work with popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro, or Kraken. You'll need to connect your bot to your exchange account using API keys. Don't worry, it's safe, just make sure to set the permissions correctly. Set your strategy: this is where you tell your bot what to do. You can choose a pre-built strategy or create your own. For beginners, I recommend starting with something simple, like a moving average crossover strategy. Test your bot. Before you go live, test your bot using a paper trading feature. This lets you see how it performs without risking real money. Go live. Once you're confident, hit that start button and let your bot do its thing. Now, before you go all in, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Start small. Don't throw all your money into a bot right away. Start with a small amount and gradually increase as you gain confidence. Monitor performance. Even though bots are automated, it's important to keep an eye on how they're performing. Markets can be unpredictable, and you don't want to get caught off guard. Stay updated. Crypto markets move fast, so make sure you're staying informed about market trends and news. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider using multiple bots or strategies to spread your risk. Remember, trading bots aren't a guaranteed way to make money, they're just a tool. The key is to use them wisely and stay disciplined. Speaking of staying disciplined, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when using trading bots. Overcomplicating strategies. Keep it simple, especially when you're starting out. Fancy strategies might sound cool, but they can be hard to manage. Ignoring fees. Trading bots can rack up fees quickly, so make sure you factor those into your calculations. Setting and forgetting. While bots are designed to run on autopilot, you still need to check in regularly to make sure everything's running smoothly. Emotional trading, even with a bot, it's easy to let emotions get the best of you. Stick to your strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions. Let's look at some real-life examples to see how this works in practice. Imagine you set up a trend-following bot to trade Ethereum. Over the course of a month, the bot identifies several upward trends and executes trades accordingly. Even with a few losses, the overall profit is 15%. Not bad for doing basically nothing, right? Or, let's say you use an arbitrage bot to take advantage of price differences between exchanges. By buying low on one exchange and selling high on another, you could pocket a 2 to 3% profit on each trade. Over time, those small gains can really add up. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to using crypto trading bots to earn money while you sleep. It's not magic, but with the right strategy and a bit of patience, you can definitely make it work. If you're ready to take the plunge, start by researching platforms and testing out a bot with a small amount of money. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Let's all make some money while we sleep, shall we? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!